Hi, I'm Rosanne Raneri. I'm a theater arts teacher here on campus, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to the Maureen Stapleton Theatre. The Stapleton Theatre is a fantastic venue for a variety of activities and events, but we're very fortunate that it's also a designated classroom space, which means that the majority of our theater arts program courses take place right here on stage or in our backstage room, and even out in the lobby of the theater, which is a really nice size and allows us to kind of spread out and move around. Also housed here in the theater is our Cultural Affairs program, led by the amazing Maria Zementowski. The Cultural Affairs program hosts right here in the theater also a variety of dance, music events, but also evenings with some of the world's most inspiring and accomplished artists and social activists, including Gloria Steinem and Stephen Sondheim. We've got fantastic student clubs that meet here on stage, including Theater Club and Cosplay Club. And additionally, the college uses the space to host meetings, special honors ceremonies, workshops for visiting junior high and high school students, and also graduation ceremonies, which are always a highlight of the year. So please, we are so excited to welcome you to the theater. We want you to feel free to come on down, introduce yourselves. We'd love to meet you, and we'd love to give you a tour. The Maureen Stapleton Theatre. Come on down and check us out.
What are you doing, Rosanne?
Beanie, I am walking 10 dogs at once. And now just show us how you would do that. Exactly! Exactly! And now, Aaron, you will say, Beanie, what are you doing?
I am going fishing.
Lovely. And now Aaron will show us how they